Thank you. Entry number 21, Jaime Makatangay Senior National High School, Kaima, Sipukot, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 22, Malawag National High School, Malawag, Nabwa, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Sheena N. Regaspi, Corps Commander, Cadet Major James Bermido, Corps XOG3, Cadet Major Luisito S. Gabarda, Corps Adjutant G1, Cadet Major Kurt Zanju Dangkalan, Corps G2, Cadet Major Gerald P. Ribolado, Corps G4, Cadet Major Mary Evangeline P. Siervo, Corps G5, Major Leader, Cadet Chief Master Sergeant Hasmin Toldanes, DBC Band Leader, Cadet Chief Master Sergeant Mark Garcia, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Gary Lloyd Rule, Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Justin Cornelio, First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Riman S. Duay, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Nicole C. Aguirre, Principal Mrs. Ernia L. Saizon, Commandant, Facilitator, Probationary Second Lieutenant Tomas L. Barandon, Infantry, Philippine Army, DBC DLC Band Trainer, Mr. Romeo Benjo Albeza, Miss Jessa Joy Morada, Major Coordinator, Mrs. Aiza L. Dancalan, Major Trainer, Mrs. Mary Joy D. Bagasala, Miss Donna Fe C. Desilio, Assistant Commandant, Mrs. Josie Fortuno, Miss Daisy B. Barandon. Entry number 22, Malawag National High School, Malawag, Nabwa, Camarines Sur.
Next entry, entry number 23,